Welcome to this transformative guided quantum jumping meditation, where we will explore the transformative breathing techniques for consciousness expansion and self-discovery. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes gently and take a moment to center yourself. Throughout this meditation, if your mind begins to wander, gently guide it back to your breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. As we embark on this journey, we'll explore the fascinating practice of quantum jumping. This meditation is a powerful tool for shifting your consciousness and exploring different possibilities in the quantum realm. Let's begin by grounding ourselves in the present moment. Inhale, presence. Exhale, release. Continue to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Do this at your own pace. Now, imagine a doorway in your mind. This doorway represents the gateway to different versions of your reality. As you continue to breathe, visualize the door opening, revealing a path leading to a parallel dimension. Inhale, opening the door. Exhale, stepping onto the path. With each breath, feel the energy around you shifting. As you walk along this path, sense the subtle differences in the environment. Notice the colors, sounds, and sensations. Inhale, exploring. Exhale, embracing the new energy. As you move deeper into this parallel dimension, visualize meeting an alternate version of yourself. This version embodies qualities, skills, or experiences that you desire. Inhale, connecting. Exhale, absorbing the wisdom and energy from this alternate self. With each breath, allow the merging of energies to take place. Feel a profound sense of unity between your current self and the alternate version. Inhale, merging. Exhale, becoming one. Sense the empowerment and transformation within you. Now, envision bringing back the qualities and insights from this quantum journey to your present reality. Inhale, integrating. Exhale, manifesting. Feel the shifts occurring within you as you return this new strength and possibility. As we gently conclude this quantum jumping meditation, gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Inhale gratitude for the experience. Exhale, anchoring the transformation within you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the energy of this quantum journey into your reality. Thank you for joining this quantum jumping meditation. May the exploration of parallel dimensions bring transformative energy and possibilities into your life. If you found this practice beneficial, please like and subscribe for more guided sessions. Until next time, may you continue the quantum leap into the realms of infinite potential.